the chemical content of life. First off, we have energy. Energy is the capacity to cause change. There are multiple types of energy. We have potential energy, and this type of energy is stored till it needs to be used. The electron shell is electron's state of potential energy. Matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything is made of matter. Even the chair that you might be sitting on, or the pencil you might be using to write in school. Matter is also made up of elements. Elements make up matter and cannot be broken down further. Some elements are toxic. 4 elements that are required for life are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Covalent and ionic bonds. Covalent share a pair of valence electrons. Shared electrons count as part of each atom's valence shell. Single bonds are 1 pair of valence electrons, and a double bond would be 2 pairs of valence electrons. An ionic bond is when the bond is stripped, meaning that one atom will lose an electron to make the other atom stable. A compound is a substance that has 1 or 2 more elements in it. The atomic number and mass would be the qualifying features of a element. The number would be the amount of protons in a nucleus, and the mass would be the atom's total mass, and it can be estimated from the mass's number. Subatomic particles. Subatomic particles would be electrons, neutrons, and protons. Protons have a positive charge and electrons have a negative charge. Neutrons, on the other hand, do not have a charge. They are neutral. Isotopes. Isotopes is basically the same element but with different numbers of neutrons.
And lastly, polar and non-polar bonds. Polar is the selfish bond, and atoms don't share electrons equally, and non-polar bonds do share electrons equally. However, unequal sharing equals positive or negative charged atoms or molecules.